My family, it's your boy Black Feniks checking in. Just wanted to say a couple things to my independent people on the grind. Got one of those calls from a contractor I was networking with, and it seems that they got in their feelings because I was posting videos of my work or what I did for them. Now, needless to say, that's how I showed them what I do. You know what I mean? Like, hey, I got videos, I got photos of, my work ethics or whatnot. And I even remember one of the owners even asking me, oh, take a photo or video of this thing we just got going on, whatever. But it's crazy how most companies that you network with, and this is just a reality, they will want you to be a team player. But they're not a team player. You see what I'm saying? If you're a team player, then I should feel like a part of the team. I know I'm just here for a job. This is business. You know what I mean? So while I'm here, I'm thinking about me. I'm going to do my job, and I'm going to do what I do well. But at the end of the day, it's about Team Feniks. It's about me helping my family, about me helping my business grow. And true enough, I want to make sure that what I do for you is good. You know what I mean? I want to make sure that what I do is sound, is good, is right, you please. But it's all about me because you already showed me that it's all about you. You see what I'm saying? So I'm charging you an amount and I'm working for two people for the price that I'm giving you. That wasn't agreed to, but it was okay. I'm like, I see what's going on. I'm going to help you out anyway. Forget it. In the process, I'm going to promote myself. But evidently, somebody got their feelings rubbed wrong because I'm able to multitask. I'm able to do a two-man job and still be able to take a video or two to promote myself and show my work ethics, and even show different stuff that I did in the shop without anyone saying, "Oh, don't do that," until I guess I don't know, some lawyer situation. So maybe I got a couple lawyers watching me. But if it is, hey, I ain't did nothing wrong. You see what I'm saying? So all I'm doing is showing my work ethic. So if it's an issue, then they got to be on their end, you know what I mean? Which I don't feel bad about it at all, you know what I mean? The way I look at it is, I was paid to do a job. I did my job. Matter of fact, I did more than my job. And when I did happen to get hurt on the job, a little slight incident, the company let me know instantly I was on my own. Instantly, I was on my own. So, nah, I'm not no team player. I'm Feniks team player. Hold on.